Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota Camry XSE. This one is in the ruby flare pearl exterior with the black perforated leather interior. Then checking out our window sticker, this one is a pretty loaded 4-cylinder model. So we do have the driver assist package as well as the special color panoramic glass roof and the premium audio package. Toyo Guard Platinum, as well as the paint protection and phone charger for a total of $36,196. Gas mileage is going to be 28 city and 39 out on the highway. Coming down here to your wheels, we are riding on Bridgestone tires. And these are going to be your 19-inch alloys. As you can see up top, that nice panoramic glass roof. Coming around back, your quad outlet exhaust right there, XSE badging. And then of course we do have smart key access. So just have the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. Then coming in, this one does have 22 miles on it. Foot on the brake, and your button to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. Coming underneath the hood, we have a 2.5 liter dual overhead cam inline 4-cylinder engine. It does feature D4S direct and-port fuel injection with dual variable valve timing with intelligence. It does make 206 horsepower and 180 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Before coming in, over here in our side mirrors, they are body color. Turn signal indicators, they blind spot monitoring, and they are heated. And then coming in, checking out that black perforated leather. As you can see, gray accents with gray stitching. All your power adjustments down below with your power lumbar. Nice padded door panels with stitching down here in your armrest. All automatic windows, power locks, and power mirrors with door storage down below. To the left of the steering wheel, we do have our automatic high beams, traction control off, as well as a surround view camera that you can see right there. Beside that, trunk release, gas cap release, and a little bit of storage. Coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be tilt and telescope, 3 spokes, leather wrapped. We have our 4-way D-pad for our center LCD between your gauges, as well as Bluetooth over here, cruise control, radar cruise, and your lane keep assist. Below, the chrome pieces on both sides are going to be audio, so you do have your seek, mode, as well as volume and voice commands. On the back of the wheel, we do have our paddle shifters for that 8-speed auto. Tap to 3 blinks, blinkers, as well as your automatic LED headlights. And then on the right, variable minimum speed wipers. Dashboard's all nice and soft touch, stitched over here. And then coming to your audio system, checking out sources. We do have our AM, FM, XM, CD, USB 1, USB 2, as well as auxiliary, Bluetooth streaming audio, and a little smartphone integration with your Pandora, iHeartRadio, Slacker, NPR, and stuff like that. Going to your presets, of course you do have 12 different presets you can scroll through. And those can be combined with XM, AM, FM. So you can make different sources in these same presets, which is nice. Going back home, nice split screen view that you can customize. Then going to your menu, going to apps, you can actually connect up your phone and have your Scout integrated navigation. Down below that, dual zone, climate control, fan speed, temperatures, and zones. Below that, we do have our USB and auxiliary ports, as well as a 12-volt outlet. Wireless charger for your cell phone if it is equipped. A little bit of storage underneath there. And then here's going to be your 8-speed automatic shifter. Sport mode with manual shift. Coming in reverse, you'd have your rear view camera with your bird's eye view. And then going in drive, as you can see, you do have your front camera as well as bird's eye view. So if you're creeping into a parking spot, you can see where to stop. Eco, normal, and sport modes, as well as your brake hold feature and your parking brake. Cup holders, tri-stage heated seats for your front passengers, and a nice padded stitched armrest with 2 USBs down in there. Glove box damped with your owner's manuals and phone charger in there. Auto dimming rearview mirror with garage home link and compass. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor, as well as LED illumination, and the controls for your huge panoramic sunroof right here. So we'll go ahead and open that up. It is automatic. It is one-touch closing as well. So let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. Now coming back here, of course your perforated black leather follows through. Door panel materials follow through as well with your padding up top, padded stitched armrest, as well as automatic window and door storage. Front seat set for my 5'9" driving frame, plenty of knee room, adequate footroom down below, with dual seat mat pockets as well as rear AC vents. Then over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders. Up top, damp corning handles with coat hooks, LED illumination, and as you can see, the vast amount of light that panoramic sunroof does let into this black leather interior is nice. So let's check out the cargo area and then we'll wrap up the video. Now coming around back, to open up your trunk, you can do it inside from the key, or there is a release right over here underneath your Camry logo. We'll pop right open. Nice lined trunk lid with your emergency release right here. You'd have 60/40 folding rear seats via these mechanisms on either side. Then underneath your cargo floor, you do have your temporary spare tire and jack. So we'll go ahead and close it up. So that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota Camry XSE. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.